Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, Geeking Out. Electronics, IoT, Teacher, Instructor, RD and Consulting. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 25, Movement, EEPROM, Mk09. EEPROM. EEPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-only Memory, is a type of non-volatile memory. EEPROM is a type of non-volatile ROM that enables individual bytes of data to be erased and reprogrammed. That is why EEPROM chips are known as byte erasable chips. EEPROM is usually used to store small amounts of data in computing and other electronic devices. It is used in computers, usually integrated in microcontrollers such as smart cards and remote keyless systems, or as a separate chip device, to store relatively small amounts of data by allowing individual bytes to be erased and reprogrammed. The microcontroller on the Arduino boards have 512 bytes of EEPROM memory whose values are kept when the board is turned off. Functions in the EEPROM class are automatically included with a platform for your board, meaning you do not need to install any external libraries. The supported microcontrollers on the various Arduino have different amounts of EEPROM: 1024 bytes on the ATmega328P, 512 bytes on the ATmega168 and ATmega8, 4 KB, 4096 bytes on the ATmega1280 and ATmega2560. The Arduino boards have an emulated EEPROM space of 1024 bytes. The EEPROM library on ESP32 provides a reliable way to store data persistently, so that it remains accessible even when the power supply is disconnected. Unlike RAM, the data we save with the EEPROM library does not get lost when power is cut. This feature makes it an ideal choice for retaining configurations, settings, and other important data in embedded devices like the ESP32.
Now with the PROM here, this expressive here and screen here, this the PROM here, so perfect. Battery and switch here, pins here, movement here, and compass here, and that's it. The battery here or cable for programming, so perfect. Now from here, this from here, the expressive here, version here, and information for here, so this here, this loop, and that's it. This from here, right, and this and here, this right here, the information, and this version here, and that's it. So now first the programming here is good, or now Yes, so the right for Arduino here. Perfect. And see this here. Right information and perfect. This now the from here, this same thing, but from here for computer. This expressive here, battery display from here, compass here, and this, so perfect. Pins here and tools here. Same thing here, the tools here, and here, right in this, here, unique display. So from first, Arduino here, wire, screen, and Bluetooth here, movement here, and compass. This here, movement and compass here. This the library, no, the movement here, standard here, the screen here, the Bluetooth serial port here, this screen here, this screen here, and now the from here and size version here, this electric here, compass here, from here, the screen here, and delay. Setup here, the setup for electric here, and setup here. Electric and output here, and string here, this and this. So good. Compass here, set up first, here and here, read, and here the compass and this. Screen here, version here, and electronics in, from here, version, and compass here. From here, and see the Arduino here, the compass here, and good. Set up here, Bluetooth here, set up this, the size from here, and read here. Beginning for screen here, delay, set up here the electric and compass here, this, the screen here, and this, so perfect. Now the from here, this here, the expressive here, and pins for here. The Arduino programming here, screen here, battery and switch here, knobs here, this here, Accelerometer and compass here. So now the good for experiment, and from here this here, and one here, another one here, from here another one. So good for experiment. This good, this no.
Patreon.
This the switch here, and now the from here. So this good, and the range, and this perfect for here. Now the Bluetooth, the computer here, this the Bluetooth here, and connect here. And from here, so good. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. Patreon. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. TikTok.